I'm gonna show you exactly how to get followers every single time you post on TikTok. You may be trying something and it's not working. I'm gonna show you what you're probably doing wrong and some things that you have to implement coming up next. Make sure you share this video with someone. Also subscribe to the channel. This way you can get videos like this that will help you on your journey. So first things first, you have to make sure that you are using the most current sounds on TikTok. If you've heard songs, you know, oh no, one of those sounds, that means it's currently being used a lot and people are getting followers, likes, and shares by using the current sound. Boom, 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 yeah, whatever. You get what I'm saying. You're probably tired of them, or maybe you don't like them, but that's when you want to at least make 1 to 5 videos while those sounds are hot, while they are trending. You come up with the video, you decide what you want to record or what you want to put together and upload using that sound, and this is how you begin to get followers, and that's just one way. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get followers on every single post, whether it's you posting a couple of times a day, or even if you're just posting once a week, you will be without excuse, but the rest depends on you taking action. Trending videos, whether there's no sound involved, if you see someone doing something in a video and you scroll 4 or 5 videos and you see someone else doing the same thing, that is something that you want to hop on and do your version of that video. One of my friends is interviewing his teachers on their style, on their fashion, and what they're wearing in their clothes, and the teachers are actually doing the interviews, and I can see that being a trending thing that is being started and kids are doing. I would suggest you do that as well. If you can get your teachers involved in a short interview clip, you know, and they want to help support what you're doing, go for it. Guaranteed people will find this funny and hilarious. Shout out to Kevin McHale. You're doing your thing. You guys go check him out and follow him on TikTok. You got to update with the times, change with the times. Make sure you have at least one of the most recent iPhones or one of the most recent Samsungs. When all the new features come out, it never fails that I see comments on YouTube saying, this feature is only for iPhone, I'm never gonna get it. Or this feature, you know, is only for Samsung, you know, why don't we have it on the iPhone? All I'm saying is, if you need to save up, if you need to ask your parents, or if you're an adult yourself and you're in college and you need to stop eating this and save money on this so that you can get a newer phone with more high quality, you know, more depth of field, clarity, 4K, invest in yourself. You know, the days of, hey, can I do a whole YouTube video on my phone? Yes, you can still do that. At some point, you want to upgrade your phone. At some point, you want to upgrade your camera. Make sure your background looks nice, appealing, and pleasing. Make sure you look presentable. Make sure your presence on camera is delivering excitement. Don't get on camera whether you're lip syncing, singing, doing a duet. Don't get on camera just just any kind of way. You're here because you are wanting followers, but in order for someone to follow you and grow your base of people watching your content, you want to make sure that you are delivering things that they want to continue watching. And so that's where your excitement, your passion is going to come in. That's when you have to be confident in what you're talking about, whether it's comedy, whether it's, you know, music, whether it's just ranting. You want to make sure that you are putting your all into it. One of the biggest things that I see not being done is people not using what they have. They feel like, oh, you know what? I don't have the nicest camera. I don't have the newest phone. I don't have a computer to do editing. That is okay. Sometimes you need to take inventory of what you don't have, but what you do have, and utilize that to your benefit. That's going to set you apart anyway. Can you imagine if you had the newest camera and the newest phone and the newest iMac or computer? You would probably be duplicating the same exact things that other people are making, but you need to be different. What do you have, or what is it that you only have, and how can you spin that to work for you? So let's just say you didn't have anything but a phone. Then maybe you should be telling stories on TikTok. Maybe you're just sitting around doing duets. but find the natural lighting coming through your window. I have lights here right now, but if I turn these 2 lights off, I'm gonna open those blinds and let that natural lighting in. Maybe I don't do a video inside the house, but maybe I go outside so that, because I don't need, or I don't have all of the technology that everyone has. Use what you have until you get to where you are trying to go. I've been there, done that. You are without excuse. All you need is a phone. And if your phone is not quality enough, then maybe your top thing is going to be reactions. Maybe your top thing is going to be, duets, and that's where I would start. Take advantage of TikTok now. There is a new, it's not really a feature, but when you're scrolling on TikTok, normally every time you scroll, you would see an ad. I've been seeing ads still, but now I see every other video, it says TikTok now. Post a video now to see what your friends are up to. It's not like you can't see what your friends are up to anyway, because they still have the For You page and who you're following. So that's how I would see what my friends are up to, because I'm following them. But now it kind of makes you have this curiosity, it has this blurred background of something that your friend may have posted, and in order for you to see it, it wants you to post something right now. And so take advantage of that. Whatever they're trying to do, they're really trying to get you to post. Just like YouTube, TikTok wants you to stay on the platform. So if you just scroll, they know at some point you're gonna wanna get off. They know at some point, all right, I'm tired of scrolling, I'm finna leave. But they're creating this curiosity that, hey, while you are on TikTok scrolling, your friends are posting things. And in order for you to see what they recently just posted, post now. Let me know, have you been recently seeing this? And it just kind of creates that excitement. You should never be without content or ideas to post. If you are drawing a blank every day, if you have nothing to post, just so you can stay active, one of the things you should do or can do is video replying to comments, engaging with those ones who are actively already commenting on your videos. So even if you have nothing to post, click on a comment, hit video reply with just talking, just to let people know, hey, I seen your comment, I'm replying, and you'd be surprised, some things can really just take off and take your channel to another level. But be excited about creating. If you ever feel like you come to a point to where you don't know what to do, I do encourage you to get others involved as well. I did that when I first started off my channel. I got my family involved, my kids involved, but then I also found a way to make videos on my own. But it has to be something that you really want to do, something that you can see yourself doing day in and day out. All right, guys. And, if you find yourself, how can I get sponsors? How can I get free merchandise? That was one of the things that inspired me to create more content. Once I hit over a certain amount of followers on TikTok, I was getting emails. I was getting inboxes of people saying, hey, can I send you these shoes? Hey, can I send you these clothes, this outfit, to be in your video? I'll send you these type of earphones or earbuds, So if you desire to get free merchandise, the only way to get that is to keep posting, be creative, be one who does something totally different from what everyone else is doing. And when you find that video that takes off, make spin-off videos of that, and you want to ride the wave. All right, guys, these are just a couple of little things that can help you right now grow your follower base on TikTok. Implement it, do it seriously. You can see your channel change drastically in the next few days, even a week. But if you spend all of your time just scrolling, you're actually just gonna flatline and you probably won't go anywhere. All right, guys, hey, until next time, I will see you on the next video.